Hello, good morning students. I am Punit Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today we discuss in this video horizontal and vertical analysis. These are two types of method of financial analysis. Financial analysis is an art and such there are various approaches towards financial analysis. Two basic approach or types of analysis are horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. First of all, we discuss about the horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis, in such type of analysis, financial statement for a number of years are reviewed and analyzed. Figures for 2 or more years are contained in such type of analysis, and these figures are placed side by side to facilitate but also in percentage form, thus to involve making comparison and establishing relationship among related item of an enterprise for a number of years. When data about sales, cost of production, profit, etc. are computed for 2 or more years of a firm, they indicate the area of strength and weakness of the enterprise. It also helps in knowing the trend of the business. Since such type of analysis is based on the data from year to year rather than only 1 year, it is called dynamic analysis. Now we discuss about the vertical analysis. In such type of analysis, financial statement for a single year or on a particular date are reviewed and analyzed with the help of proper device. Proper device like ratio. It involves a study of the quantitative relationship among various items of balance sheet or profit and loss account of a single period. The item in the financial statement are expressed as percentage to total, and the total is taken as equivalent to 100. Statement containing such analysis are termed as common size statement. These are two the main basic difference between horizontal and vertical analysis. Both are most important method of financial analysis. Thank you so much students.